Ever since we collided two bullets nose-on impact, it got us wondering, what would a 90-degree impact look like?
So in true ballistic high-speed fashion, we've rebuilt the entire rig. We have one .45 caliber firing this direction.
And shortly afterward, we're gonna fire a second bullet from this gun to hopefully intercept at a perfect 90-degree angle.
And if we can somehow manage to pull that off, we also have a bunch of different items here that we could shoot two bullets into, including our buddy Calvin here from Ballistic Dummy Lab.
And a little bit later, we'll be doing a high-speed camera giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed.
Don't miss out.
As you can imagine, with an idea as big as this, we brought out multiple high-speed cameras so we can capture this in multiple angles, including a Phantom TMX 7510 sent out by Vision Research. This will give us well over 100,000 frames per second, so every little detail.
And the first time we did this, everything was kind of the same. We were almost head on and the distances were the same. Now we have an offset with different distances. We're just gonna start firing. We're gonna walk this in until we get that perfect collision. Weapon hot, weapons loaded.
Ready for our first shot?
Yep.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'll start hunting for footage and we'll see what happens. So this should be as expected. There's our first bullet and there's the second one. They're not far off.
We are at least in the right orientation. The shorter one's going through first, longer one's taking longer to get there. That's perfect.
So what we can do is look at time code. So that is 3 milliseconds.
3 milliseconds.
So I am gonna just add 3 milliseconds delay copper.
Let's try it.
Take number 2.
Power's on.
All right, both are ready for trigger in 3, 2, 1. I see 2 holes.
2 holes, okay. So we didn't hit, but did we make an improvement?
Oh, look how close they are already. Oh!
We're doing this.
Second try.
We're doing this. So let's go.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we're getting a shot. What an incredible looking shot. And we haven't even touched them yet.
It is ridiculous how close that is.
That's very close. We were 1/4 of a millisecond off. So I'm just gonna add that.
I want to see it so bad. Weapons hot.
Take 3.
Take 3.
3, 2, 1. I see 2 holes.
That one's way different though.
That one's low and that one's high. Did they glance?
Did they kiss?
Did they kiss?
Whoa, we did! They touched! Let's go! Yes!
They just barely glanced. Wow. Copper's just slightly fast and it looks like high.
Oh!
Let's check out the other angle. Get some 7510 action in here.
Oh my goodness.
And it was right in focus. We're gonna get this, dude. We're gonna get the shot.
That's barely a timing issue. That's more of an aiming issue.
That happened way quicker than I thought it would.
In 3, we had a hit. 3! I mean, granted, we've spent years developing this entire system, but...
Discovery Channel, hire us.
What's
Come on.
You've heard of magical playing cards. This is the magic. And just like that, nose on perfection. I said it.
You said it?
I said it.
I predict nose on perfection.
Really?
Well, I haven't said I feel it in my bones.
That's true.
It won't happen until I say that.
All right, same exact timing. I put 3 playing cards under the copper's magwell.
3, 2, 1. The leveling seems great. Copper was just a little ahead. So we need to delay copper again.
Let's also not let the people forget how tight of a window that is. What is it?
Yeah.
100 microseconds?
If we're outside of 100 microseconds, we're not hitting it at all.
What is a blink of an eye?
It's like 300 milliseconds. So 300,000 microseconds versus 100.
That's what I'm saying.
I
Yes,
see, okay.
Yeah. We've kind of seen now the timing on this is incredibly difficult to get nailed down, but we do have control over which hardware we use, which is why we partnered with OSH Cut, and they are the ones that sent me this cutout plate here. It was precision laser cut. They pre-drilled all the holes. They even pre-tapped them. That's flat steel as easy as it can be. I drew this up in CAD. I literally just drag and drop it onto their website, tell them which holes to tap and what thread. and then it showed up at my door 2 days later, which allowed us to get this video done for you guys. And they don't just do flat stuff, they do tube, square cuts, they bend metal, they do all sorts of stuff. They will be pinned and linked in the description below, and we have a code down there for a pretty sick discount. So thanks, OSH Cut. Come on, baby.
Tip to tip.
Tip to tip, tip to tip.
That's a new shirt.
Trigger bar powered.
I'm scared. Just kidding. 3, 2, 1. I see a crumb in the corner.
Did that just happen?
I don't know. They had to have done something. Oh, another glance, another glance. What a neat shot. They're just peeling each other apart.
Look how clear that is.
Yeah. If I had done 10 less microseconds and copper was down a bit, that would have been our shot.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Show me the money.
I was gonna say I feel it in my bones.
But do you? You have to actually feel it. You do?
I kinda do.
If you do, say it.
I feel it in my bones.
Show me the money.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Let's go, baby! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Trigger bars off, 2 slides locked to the rear. Yes! Great work.
Holy shoot! It's immaculate. And we still have another angle at 100,000 frames a second.
Oh my.
Oh man. This is the money shot.
Look how clear that is.
And it happened exactly in focus. That's never been done before.
That's a world's first. With 2 off-the-shelf pistols, 2 off-the-shelf ammunition.
2 off-the-shelf Hoosiers. Oh, look at the spark. Ding. So they could have impacted like that. We are technically 1 frame off of perfect collision.
At 100,000 frames per second, we're 1 frame off.
10 microseconds.
Let's do it again. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Weapons are hot. Are we one-hit wonders or do we know what we're doing? 3, 2, 1. One-hit wonders. Oh, maybe not.
No, they hit.
Oh, really? God, we are so good at our jobs.
Definitely more of a glance, but yeah. Something important to mention is when we did the head-on collision, we had about a 500 microsecond zone that they could hit in. This, we're down to just under 100 microseconds. So effectively 5 times harder of a shot to do.
Yes.
And while I would love to sit here and tell you all that this was an easy day of constant success, there was always a tremendous factor of luck. Between solenoid inconsistencies, power supply impulse time, trigger to hammer lock time, powder burn dwell time, ammunition tolerances, MOSFET and relay synchronizing, every small variable adds up to a very long day of chasing these impacts back and forth across one bullet being early and then the next shot being late, which resulted in a couple hundred bullets fired with very occasional success. But that never stopped us from hunting for that final copper-on-copper collision.
Colt 45 and 245s. Baby, show me what I need.
Dude, it just exploded.
Exploded.
Look at those marks.
Poster board definitely has holes in it.
Yes, another one. Oh
More
my
of that, please.
goodness. Look at it again. They're morphing into each other.
Yes, we've seen that in the head-on collision. That nice sheeting.
That's one of the prettiest things I've ever seen.
Oh yeah.
It's as it comes into focus. Let's go look at the damage.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, it ate into the table.
I bet that was like the copper, the rest of the actual bullet.
And just all the splatter all over the back.
So outside of this, and then those main holes, that's what it did. This was all taped or fresh.
That's the first one that exploded like that.
Exploded.
Dude, good job.
You as well, sir. I already have ideas for how to make this even better.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Also, if you enjoy these details, we have over half an hour of behind the scenes on how we built these rigs, troubleshooting the hardware, as well as breaking down the software that controls the timing and these high-speed cameras, which you can find over on Pepperbox. We'll also have an extended edition of this episode as well. Check out the link in the description, and we'll see you there.
I remember from our last collision episode, a lot of people wanted to see 2 bullets going into a target at the same time.
And we agreed, which is why he's gonna get shot today.
Twice.
So big shout out to Chris from Ballistic Dummy Lab.
And we're gonna keep getting it in glorious high speed. Speaking of which, we're gonna start giving away high-speed cameras, starting with this Chronos right here. Got a giveaway going on, so you can shoot some high speed along with ballistic high speed. Trigger is yours this time, sir.
Ooh. All right, 2 bullets, 1 apple in 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Like cut it in half.
It sure did. It's just so crazy because it hasn't even moved yet.
Right.
It's already had a bullet go through and out, and then another one can still get in there.
At 100,000 frames a second, we seem to be pretty far off, but the apple is just barely moved.
Yeah.
Before the second bullet just rips right through it.
Hey, I feel like it's been a while since we've done just some traditional slow-mo stuff.
In a very new way. All right, 2 bullets crushing a soda can in 3, 2, 1. That just exploded all over the white sheet.
Yeah, it sure did, yeah.
Oh, the peeling action. Will that go through the label? Yes.
It's still kind of in shape.
By the time the second bullet hits, we still have a cylinder of liquid.
Yeah.
Purple soda on its side.
In 3, 2, 1.
It's a good thing we have 2 cameras on this stuff, because that's cool.
Oh, we're getting closer.
Look at that. Look how textured that liquid is. It looks like you put a blasting cap in the middle of that and it's just spherically coming out. So this is what we call hydrostatic shock. Liquids do not like to be shoved around very much and they'll just get out of there. If you've been liking the slow motion you've been seeing so far, a lot of it was shot with this camera right here. It's an $8,000 high-speed camera, thousands of frames per second in high definition, and we're gonna be giving it away.
That's right, we partnered with Fan of Them, which is a veteran-owned family-run business. We have a link, fanofthem.com/BHS. Head over there and get yourself a limited edition collectible to be entered into the giveaway.
Or go ahead and scan this QR code right here.
And of course, it'll all be linked down in the description below. Go grab one of those by this date right here.
And one of you will win this high-speed camera so you can shoot slow motion right along with us.
Speaking of doing that, let's go do it.
More slow-mo.
You ready, Calvin? You better get ready.
We have a blood pack.
Yes, we
do.
do.
I want to get that at some point.
Absolutely.
So let's go do it. The build is yours.
Oh, I get to do it? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's so done.
Oh, he's so done.
Yikes.
Oh, it's tumbling. Where's the other one? There it is.
The dummy is mid-explosion as a bullet's tearing through the other way. Look at all the bone fragments. All right, well, as you can see, way harder to collide bullets at 90 degrees versus head-on, but we finally got it to work.
And we learned enough to continue on with the caliber wars.
Like 9 versus 45. We're gonna do that soon.
Yep.
And don't forget about the giveaway.
Yes.
You could win that Chronos high-speed camera, shoot thousands of frames per second, make your own high-speed videos.
Okay, love you, bye.
All right, see you in the next video. Oh, no.
Gotcha.